laundromats are really fun to spend some time on designing and trying to take a space, a unique space, and create an environment that is well lit, that it feels safe, it feels clean. It really gives you that great vibe when you walk into it. A modern laundromat really does take a lot of design considerations. You've got, how do you be able to manage that space? How do you create enough space between aisles for folding areas and the drying areas that you don't have customers stacked in one spot, right? So that really does coming down to working with professionals that have designed lots of laundromats that can help you with pitfalls and things that we've seen through the years. We've literally built hundreds of laundromat through our careers, and we've got wonderful team guys that have done amazing jobs of laying out laundromats that fit a particular space. So it's like, want to build a house? Well, how big a house? How many people? What are you trying to accomplish? And so it's the same kind of concept. It's really is taking a very personalized touch to a space. We're seeing more and more of that. The CLA, Coin Laundry Association, is a great organization that we're members of that support laundromats, but they also have a foundation called Laundry Cares. And Laundry Cares, what they've been able to do is you can buy kind of a book collection that encourages, they'll put them into laundromats and encourage kids to come in and read. To exactly your point, what you're asking about is really become part of the community, be part of the solution, having a place for kids to come in and read and be active, have internet hotspots, places they can study, instead of just having the old standard, just let them ride around in carts and crawl in machines and cause problems, right? Let's be part of the solution, not part of the problem. And so we've seen a lot of our customers embrace that and have had free laundry days for the community and really get the word out and have embraced that communal role. That's a necessary part of life. Is we've got to get things got to be clean and look nice, but we also want laundromats that are beautiful. And then also, how do we support our customers? And so I think the really good operators are doing that and have done it extremely well, and they're being rewarded financially as well for it. So.